Good day, guys. Being here. Okay, so today we are going to model some this railing. Okay, so it's quite simple actually. I'll just do a screenshot. So basically, we have a top rail, right? So a top rail. So these, so see like V shape. Like this. This can be a ballast panel. So each of these V shape will be a one panel. Oh, no. So this will be the panel, right? And also we will be able to control the width, and the height will be controlled. And also this one's like on the floor flat. We can also make it we can also add a slope slope angle into it. So imagine we can place onto a stairs, so it can can do this, right? What else? And also that's a non-continuous railing, so that's one railing, and also we will need some support like under this. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so first we're going to create a ballast panel here. Okay, so the V shape will be very simple, so we just need to create a sweep, I believe. Okay, so this is left. Okay, so left elevation. So sweep. So we're going to use. So first we need to set our plan. So it will be center, left, right. So pick the word plan in this list. It will be center, left, right. Okay, and then we're going to just draw a path. So from here, down here, up here. Okay. Oh, hang on, sorry. This is not right. So you can see it's actually a model line. Oh, yeah, instead of a path. So let's just cancel this. So again, so set our plan first. And create a sweep, sketch path. Yeah, okay, so this time is correct. So, and finish, and edit profile. So I'm going to, let's just do it in 3D view. Oops. Okay, so I'm going to just, yeah, maybe 30 mil diameter. So if you want to make it parametric, you can add a dimension and add parameter. But for this exercise, I'll just make it 30 mil diameter. So, and also let's go back to left. So we didn't lock any of this, the path. So just want to have a test. So if we, so you can see if we change. Oh, hang on. Let's just do it in family types. If we change the width, for example, change to 500, it still works because this is a very simple Revit understand what we want to do. So I think should be fine. Apply, yeah, all good. And slope angle. So if I change to 15 degree, yeah, still works. Okay, so this is ballast panel. So now we're going to create a project. So let's just use the architectural template, and we're going to load this one into this project. So now we're going to create a railing. Okay, finish. Go to 3D view. So this is just one of the default railings in this template. So we're going to edit, duplicate. I'll just call it new. And we're going to change some of the settings. So the first one is the ballast placement. Go edit, and so let's try to find it here, right? So instead of this regular baluster, so we're going to use this family we just did, and this controls the distance between, you know, each of them. So I'll type in 300 for now, and then I'll leave this one for now, because these are for the start post, end post, and corner post, which means when we have a, you know, a change of direction, so it will be placed on that corner. Click OK. So now this is this. So so here we have some issue. First, I don't think so. See here, the bottom of this one probably shouldn't be like this, and also probably don't want overlap here, right? So maybe you can just, you know, instead of having one V shape, we can just place two and then offset a little bit. So let's do this. So go edit, sweep. Let's do it in 3D view. So this is one, right? So let's edit sketch path. So I'm going to just delete one of them, and then finish and go edit profile. And when we do profile, I'll just move this by 15 mil, right? So finish. So now we have one, and then we're going to let's go back to left again. So we need another one, right? So I'll just Control C, so, and then paste in the same place, edit, sweep, sketch path. I'll delete this one and draw another one from here to here, and then finish, edit profile, and go to 3D view again. So I draw, it's already here, but this time, so you can see the previous ones on this side, on the right hand side. So we can just move this one to the other side. And finish. So now let's go back to left again. So I just have a test and change this, and just make sure it still works, right? So yeah, so that's a height. It works. So change the slope angle, it works. Change the width. Okay, all good. Now let's load this one into the project, override. Let's go to 3D view again. Yeah, I think that's better. So at least yeah, so it's more, you know, realistic, I believe, right? So okay, so, and then we can adjust. So let's have a look at this one. So see, but yeah, the base is close, but the top, so it's not. Yeah, just I think we just need to reduce the. We can reduce the spacing. So one option is we can reduce the spacing. So, or actually, not reduce the spacing, increase the spacing. So for example, if I type 400, okay, apply. Yeah, that's something probably closer to this one. But this one, actually, it should be. Yeah, I think in reality, we should reduce the gap, right? So this is too big. So if I go to maybe south elevation, so I just do a detail line. That's too big. So at least we need to make this gap a smaller, like 100, 120, something like that. So what we can do is first we need to go to the family, on the railing, and find that family one. Okay, and double click on this one because we have this width parameter, so we can change this one. So for now, let's change this one to 300. Okay, and then we also need to reduce the spacing between these. So go select this railing, edit, go to baluster placement. Here, just reduce this one, so maybe 200. Yeah, I think that's probably. Let's check again. So I just do another detail line from here to here. Still too big. Yeah, but I'll just leave it as it is. But you know how to change this one. So you can go here, reduce this with 240, and also go to baluster placement and further reduce the distance, for example 150. And also we can make them skinnier, so it looks like too thick. I mean, so we can always so if you want to, actually let's just add some parameter to it. So go edit sweep, right, edit profile. We can add a diameter di dimension and use diameter instead of radius, and then select this one, select dimension. Let's call it a D maybe, and it will be type parameter. Okay, so type parameter, and finish this one, and do the same. Edit sweep, select profile, edit profile, di dimension, diameter, and select this dimension and link that D to it. So finish and finish. And also if you want to, you can also add material parameter. So just make sure you use type parameter. Okay, so now this one's good. Load this one into the project, overwrite, and then go back to the family. On the railing, on the family one, double click on this family type, so we see this material, right? So this is a material. So for example, I'll just give it create a new material, or let's just use that door handle material, black. Yeah, that's fine. And change this one. So for example, I'll change to 15 mil, and then it will become skinnier, right? And then I'll change the shade SD, black. Okay, so go to 3D view. Okay, so yeah, and also because we offset these by 30 mil, but when we change to 15 mil, so it becomes there's a gap. So maybe we should also add a parameter. So when we change the diameter of these what do we call them, balusters, also change the offset. So let's have a look. So I'll just go back to the family. Okay, I'll go to floor plan. Okay, so here let me think, how can we do this one? Okay, so how about this? I'll just add a reference plan here, and I'll just mirror this to the other side, add a dimension, and equal, add another dimension. And so I think this one should, if we use the same, and then we just need to lock those two sweep onto these reference plans. So and also instead of use offset for the profile, so now we can just lock the path onto these reference plans and without offsetting. So let's just do it, edit sweep. So now you can see this is the work plan of this one is center left right, right? Oh, sorry. So the work plan of this sweep is center left and right. Yes. So if I now set work plan and pick a plan, pick this reference plan, and now open, I think. And then go back to modify sweep, select profile. Oh, it won't let me. Maybe let's edit path. That looks fine. Select profile. Yeah, okay, it works now. Yeah, so interesting. Okay, so go back to 3D view, or go to floor plan. So we just need to move. Oh, it's still on the center left and right. Okay, so let me just cancel this one. So let's start from start again. Okay, so this is a sweep, right? So it's being placed onto the center left and right. So I'll see if I can edit work plan, pick a plan onto this. Okay, so it looks like nothing changed. So again, so edit sweep, sketch path. I think that's fine. Looks like okay, the path is on this reference plan, so which is correct. Now if I go select edit profile, oh, it's also on this reference plan looks like, okay, so that's fine. So which means there's no more offset anymore. So but yeah, that's what we need, right? So let's finish this one. So let's do this one as well. So select it, edit work plan, pick a plan, okay, and pick this reference plan. Okay, so this one looks like it's a little bit, it's not right. So let's go edit sweep. So you can see this is the work plan, current work plan. This is the profile. So we need to move the profile back here. Edit profile, select it, MV, move this one to here. Oh, doesn't work. Try to select the, yeah. So it didn't work because I accidentally select the dimension. So, of course I can't move the dimension, right? So just tab and select the profile, not the dimension. Okay, so and then just move it to the right. Now finish. Okay, so now let's have another test. If we change the D, which is here, so this should, see, it will automatically adjust the offset. So make sure there's no gap between them. Okay, so now finish, load this one back and overwrite, and you should see now we have this, right? Doesn't matter what the size these bars are, so you can just like 10 mil, it will, yeah, so there's still no gap, right? 20 mil, 15 mil. Okay, so now we have this. Maybe we need to reduce the width of this V shape, so that the intersecting point is a little bit up, just like this one, right? So go to family, just reduce the width here, so maybe 200, for example. Yeah, I think that's better. Okay, so this is this, and of course we need to get rid of the start and end post. So very easy, go to master placement, so see the start post, change this to none, end post, change it to none, click OK, that's it. Okay, so you might think, okay, so can we, not really sure. So we just have a test. So for example here, justify. So if we change to center, and how, now still no, still no. How about spread a pattern to fit? Yeah, I think that's better. See? Okay, so then we still need to add another horizontal railing, right? So we can, we probably also want to change the top rail as well. So currently it's a square shape, so see, 50 by 50 top rail. So there are already some different type or loaded in this architectural template, so we can just pick one. So for example, circular, and then you can change the material, some settings, right? So if you wanted to, click OK. Yeah, that's it. So now let's add another railing horizontal. So this time, so it will be a railing structure non-continuous. Okay, so insert, and then here you pick a profile. So for example, you can pick a 30 mil diameter. So if you need to change the material here, and height, so maybe 100. Okay, and apply. Okay, so now we have some issue. So how can we start this V shape on this horizontal member? So we go to edit type, baluster of placement, go edit here. So this family, so see here base, host means the host like a floor level if you place onto a floor. So we can change this one to the new rail, which is a non-continuous railing, which is this one. Okay, and then we can just click apply, then we'll start from this. Okay, and then we also need to have some, see this. So they are quite simple as well. So we can add Let me think, what can we do? We can add as baluster. So but we probably need to repeat this one, because we don't want to have, you know, these like every, you know, match the number of these, right? So we probably have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 of this V shape, and one of those support. So we're gonna select this baluster panel V shape, so just duplicate, so as many as you like. That's probably too many, sorry. delete 12 1, that's maybe yeah, I think that's 10 2 to 12 11. No, let's just delete one more. Okay, and then under here, so we're going to duplicate one more, and then change this one to a normal, like maybe so 20 mil, or looks like there's only 20 mil. So if you want to have, you know, more different size, you I'll show you later, but for now I'll just use this one, and base will be host, right? So it's a floor level, and the top will be this railing, which is this new rail, and distance will be this. Oh, maybe it will be 0, because we don't want, if we have 150 here, you will see a gap between the V, like every 10. So I'll show you here, see? So when we have this support, we will miss one, because we have a 150 gap. So we just need to go to baluster here, change this one to 0. So now it means we can continue all this V shape, and then just place this one every 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Okay, so finally I'll just show you. So we have this hang on, let me double check. I'm not sure what that one is. Okay, so it's baluster, right? So we need to go to family. On the railing there should be a baluster. Yeah, so this one, so we used this one. So if you click on this one, there are two, one's 20 mil, one's 25. So for example, I wanted this one to be, you know, like 30, and then we don't have, so just right click, duplicate, first name it 30, and then, so this is just a name, okay? So you need to double click on it, and then go change it here, change it to 30. And then if you want to change the material, so you can also do it here. So I'll just quickly just use the same black color material. How about we also change the material of this one? So this is a non-continuous railing, so go, it's here, right? And the same material, and also that this is a top railing. Top railings under here, so go click on this material here. So I would use the same material for all of them. Now we have this. Oh, I didn't change that, so let's double click. Hang on. Is this? Oh, yeah. So we only create this type, but we haven't assigned this to this one. So currently it's still at 25 mil. So go to edit type, baluster placement, go under here, change this one to 30. This one. Now it will be, yeah, that's good. I think we probably need one here, or maybe just we use full height. So maybe we should just add that start and end post back. So go to baluster placement again on here. So we're going to use that 30 mil. Okay, 30 mil, and then it will be from host, which is here, the floor level, to the top rail. So I think that's good. So maybe just use this setting. Okay, apply, and then we have that. Okay, so, and also I think this is it, but I think we still need to probably need to make them even skinnier. yeah, I think that looks better. And also, yeah, so if you need to still like, oh, that's too big, you can still go back there here. So like maybe make it 150, and also go to baluster placement and reduce this one. So yeah, it's a little bit tricky. We need to Control C and copy paste all the numbers. Ooh. Okay, good. So okay, yeah, so I think, and yeah, I think this is it. And also because we used a baluster panel with slope angle already in, so it's possible to place it on on stairs. I'll just do this one, and I'll use maybe I'll delete one. MA match. Okay, so it's not working. So for now, because currently we have the setting here, this one. So no, this one here. So see, use baluster per thread on stairs. Currently using 2 these square 20 mil, right? So 2 every thread. We just need to change this one. So one option is you can turn this off. If you turn this off, it will just automatically use the same setting as this to place onto this, place them onto this stairs, right? Another option is, so you can also go to, so you can still use this setting, but you can change this one. So for example, I'll just use one of these V-shape baluster on every single one thread. So where is it? Family 1, right? So okay, apply. Looks like maybe we need more, right? So maybe top 2. So this will make sure that every single thread there will be 2. But it looks like we have some issue here because we don't have the setting for the host, for the base. Oh, wrong one, sorry. Where am I? Edit baluster placement. Yeah, so see, there's no setting for the host. It's always from the thread. So I think probably it's better to just use this setting instead of, because we want them to start from this horizontal member instead of, the thread. Okay, so yeah, I think this is probably it. Yeah, and also because we use I'm not sure about top rail, so I think, yeah, you can tab select the top rail. So in case you need to adjust, for example, you need to extend this one, right? So you can just always modify. You can do it yourself, right? So something like that. Yeah, can I do 150? Oh, why is ellipse? Why am I doing ellipse? So yeah, something like that. Maybe something like this. Okay, so yeah, so this is a handrail, right? So I think that's all. So yeah, it's very simple. You just need to know where all these settings are. So like all the baluster placement, balusters are all the vertical member, right? All the horizontal members are either the top rail or the railing structure here are non-continuous, right? So, and also all these like baluster families, once you load into the project, it's all under family, under railing. So these are all the settings. So you need to find the right one so you can, adjust them, right? So I will upload this family for you so you can have a look. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.